Frozen drinks are a staple of any party, summer gathering, or cozy night in. Whether you're whipping up margaritas, smoothies, or other icy treats, having the right blender can make all the difference. But with so many blenders on the market, finding one that can handle frozen ingredients efficiently can be tricky. Number 1. Xiaomi Yupin Smart Portable Blender. The Xiaomi Yupin Smart Portable Blender is a great option for those who need a portable, lightweight, and highly efficient blender for frozen drinks. Its sleek design and wireless feature make it perfect for people on the go who still want to enjoy their frozen smoothies or juices. Whether you're at home, in the office, or outdoors, this blender is versatile enough to cater to your frozen drink needs without the hassle of cords. This small but mighty blender features a powerful motor that can crush ice and frozen fruits with ease, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to make frozen drinks on the spot. The convenience of USB charging adds another layer of portability, ensuring you can blend your drinks wherever you are. Key features. Portability. One of the standout features of this blender is its portability. It is small enough to fit in your bag, and with its wireless functionality, it can be used anywhere. Powerful motor. Despite its compact size, the motor is strong enough to handle ice and frozen fruits, ensuring smooth, frozen drinks every time. USB charging. The USB charging feature allows for flexibility, making it an ideal travel companion. Easy to clean. The detachable parts make it easy to clean after use, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Number 2. Joyoung Professional Countertop Blender. The Joyoung Professional Countertop Blender is a professional-grade appliance designed for serious frozen drink enthusiasts. With a robust motor and high-quality blades, this blender can crush ice and blend frozen ingredients effortlessly. It's ideal for anyone looking to create frozen margaritas, daiquiris, or even smoothies with minimal effort and maximum consistency. With a stylish design and multiple speed settings, this blender offers the flexibility to blend a variety of drinks. The durable glass pitcher adds a layer of sturdiness, making it perfect for frequent use. This model is great for home use, whether you're hosting a party or preparing a quick frozen drink for yourself. Key features. High-speed motor. With its powerful motor, the Joyoung blender can crush even the hardest ice cubes, ensuring a smooth consistency for your frozen drinks. Multiple speed settings. The blender offers various speed levels, allowing you to adjust the blending process based on your drink's ingredients. Durable build. Its glass pitcher ensures durability, while its stainless steel blades offer long-lasting performance. Large capacity. It can blend a larger quantity of drinks at a time, making it ideal for entertaining guests or preparing family-sized servings. Number 3. Bare Mini Portable Blender. The Bare Mini Portable Blender is designed for people who prefer single servings of frozen drinks. It's compact, easy to use, and perfect for personal use, making it a convenient option for quick smoothies or frozen cocktails. With its compact size, it's easy to carry in your bag, making it perfect for taking to work, the gym, or even on a picnic. This blender has a modern, sleek design and offers the same blending power as larger models, thanks to its strong motor and durable blades. Despite its small size, it can handle frozen fruits and ice easily, ensuring that your frozen drinks come out perfectly smooth every time. Key features. Compact design. This blender is small and portable, making it ideal for personal use and travel. Strong motor. Despite its size, the motor is powerful enough to crush ice and blend frozen fruits with ease. Easy to clean. Its detachable parts make it easy to clean, ensuring low maintenance. Affordable. It's a budget-friendly option without compromising on performance, ideal for those who need a blender but don't want to spend too much. Number 4. Dimmer 400 ml Wireless Juicer Blender. The dimmer 400ml wireless juicer blender is another excellent choice for anyone in need of a portable blender that can handle frozen ingredients. This model is perfect for creating frozen smoothies, milkshakes, and even juices on the go. Its compact design combined with wireless functionality means you can take it anywhere: the park, the gym, or even on a road trip. Equipped with high-quality stainless steel blades and a powerful motor, this blender easily crushes ice and frozen fruits. It also has a sleek, modern design that fits into any lifestyle. Its wireless charging capability makes it incredibly easy to use without being tied to a power outlet. Key features. Wireless charging. One of the top features is the wireless charging, which makes it easy to use anywhere, anytime. Stainless steel blades. The durable blades can handle frozen ingredients, ensuring a smooth drink every time. Compact and lightweight. Its small size and lightweight nature make it perfect for portability. Multifunctional. Besides frozen drinks, it's also great for making juices and shakes, adding versatility to your kitchen gadgets. Number 5. Liectru Smart Blender. For those who want a premium option, the Liectru Smart Blender is a high-tech appliance designed for those serious about their frozen drinks. With advanced blending technology and smart features, this blender offers professional-grade performance in the comfort of your home. It's equipped with a strong motor and stainless steel blades that effortlessly blend ice, frozen fruits, and other tough ingredients. The Liectru blender offers more than just blending. It also includes intelligent control options, allowing you to set specific blending programs for different types of drinks. The large capacity pitcher makes it ideal for family use or for hosting gatherings, where you need to serve multiple frozen drinks quickly and efficiently. Key features. Smart technology. Intelligent control options allow you to customize your blending experience with pre-programmed settings. Heavy-duty motor. The powerful motor ensures ice and frozen fruits are blended smoothly, making it perfect for frozen drinks. Large capacity. Its large capacity makes it ideal for blending big batches, making it perfect for entertaining guests. Durable construction. The high-quality materials ensure long-lasting performance, even with frequent use. Conclusion. Finding the perfect blender for frozen drinks doesn't have to be difficult. Whether you're looking for a portable option like the Xiaomi Yupin Smart Portable Blender or a more professional model like the Liectru Smart Blender, there's something for everyone on this list. Each blender offers unique features that make it easier to enjoy your favorite frozen drinks. All these blenders can be easily purchased on AliExpress, ensuring that you get high-quality products at affordable prices. So, choose the one that best suits your needs and start blending. Whether it's a quick smoothie on the go or a batch of frozen margaritas for your next gathering, these blenders will ensure that your drinks come out perfectly every time.